The graph is a decentralized protocol for indexing and querying data from various blockchains, primarily Ethereum. It allows users to create subgraphs, which are organized collections of data, and publish them on a decentralized network for others to access and use. The graph token GRT is the native cryptocurrency of this ecosystem, which powers the network and enables participants to monetize their work. To make money online with the graph in 2024, follow these step-by-step guide for beginners. 1. Understand the basics. Begin by learning about blockchain technology, Ethereum, and the graph protocol. Familiarize yourself with the concepts of subgraphs, indexing, and querying. 2. Set up a wallet. Create a cryptocurrency wallet to store your GRT tokens. Popular options include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or a hardware wallet like Ledger. 3. Acquire GRT tokens. Purchase GRT tokens on a reputable cryptocurrency exchange such as Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Make sure to research the exchange's security and user experience before signing up. 4. Stake your GRT. Staking is the process of locking up your GRT tokens to support the network and earn rewards. By staking, you help secure the network and increase your chances of being selected as an indexer. Visit thegraph.com/staking to learn more about staking and follow the instructions provided. 5. Learn to code. To create and monetize subgraphs, you'll need to have some programming skills. Start with learning Solidity for Ethereum or other programming languages relevant to the blockchains you're interested in. 6. Create a subgraph. Develop a subgraph by following the graph's tutorials and documentation. Choose a blockchain and a data source you want to index, and create a subgraph that provides valuable information to users. 7. Publish your subgraph. Once your subgraph is ready, publish it on the graph's network. This makes your subgraph accessible to others, and you can start earning GRT tokens for indexing and curation. 8. Market your subgraph. Promote your subgraph to potential users, developers, and businesses. Share it on social media, forums, and other relevant platforms to attract more users and increase your earning potential. 9. Earn rewards. As users query your subgraph, you'll earn GRT tokens for indexing and curation. The more valuable and popular your subgraph becomes, the more rewards you can potentially earn. 10. Diversify and grow. Consider creating multiple subgraphs to diversify your income and explore different blockchain ecosystems. Stay updated with the graph's developments and adapt your strategies to maximize your earnings in the future. Remember that investing in cryptocurrencies and participating in decentralized networks involves risks. Always conduct thorough research, manage your risk exposure, and stay informed about the latest developments in the space.